In this video, I'll show you how to quickly reset your Shopify theme code using the Rewind app. This is super handy if you've made changes and want to roll back to a previous version or fix errors in your store. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Once you're logged into Shopify, use the search bar in your admin dashboard and type Rewind Backups. Open the app. If you're new, there's a free trial you can use from the Rewind homepage. Click View All Items. Then choose the theme you want to reset. For example, Dawn. Next, click View Versions and select Source Code. Here you'll see a list of previous versions. Pick the version you want to restore. Hit Restore to this version and confirm. Rewind will automatically roll your theme back and you'll see your store return to that state. And that's it. You have successfully reset your Shopify theme code. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more quick Shopify guides.